This tropical update brought to you by Pine Belt Gutters. We've got a lot of things to talk about in the tropics, but really nothing coming our way anytime soon. This is Hurricane Dorian, still off the east coast of the United States, and this is the latest from the National Hurricane Center. And it's at 2 p.m. It was at 32.8 north, 78.7 west, 60 miles south of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and winds are 110 with gusts to 130 miles per hour, and it's moving north-northeast at 8 miles per hour, just about like that, and will continue to do so over the next several days. We'll have another disturbance out in the Atlantic, just not coming up the African coast. It has about a 60% chance of developing over the next 8 days, but I don't think it'll be a problem for us here in the United States. And here's the actual continent of Africa. You can see several tropical waves working their way towards the west, and eventually more will emerge off the coast and get into the Atlantic, and we'll see what they do after that. Here's Dorian right there, moving away from the United States over the next several days. We have a couple of tropical waves out there as well. Here's that disturbance we just showed you. It's approaching from the east to the west of the Windward and Leeward Islands, and it will probably just dissipate once it gets there at this point. We'll know more about that later. And maybe a couple of tropical waves near Florida right there, but really nothing to be a big concern for us anytime soon here in the Pine Belt. Again, this takes us all the way through next Sunday at 2:30. And again, we have nothing more about right now in the tropics. We'll just continue to watch them for you. This brought to you by Pine Belt Gutters.